2 free throws para kay Rivera. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, basket. 24-28, 4-point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Rejano dribbling the ball. Pass to Año Nuevo. Año Nuevo to San Valentin. No basket. Rebound by David. Pass to Rivera. Rivera dribbling the ball. Pass to Bigal. Long pass to Bigal. 2 points. 24-30, 6-point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Rejano for long 3. No good. San Valentin, follow-up shot. Wala pa din. But here's Ross. Long pass again to Rivera. At masyadong mainit ang laban dito sa magkabilang pagitan ng kupunan. At penalty na din dito ang kupunan ng Kuya Word. Rejano on the free throw line. First free throw by Rejano, no basket. And here's the second free throw. No basket again. Rivera. Bigal may hawak ng bola. Ibibigay dito kay Rojas. To Bigal. To number 11 Garcia. To De Luna. Here's Garcia. Fake. Pass to Rojas. Matatapik palabas dito ni number 3 San Valentin. Same ball possession. Last 1 seconds on the shot clock. Rojas for 3. No good. Shot clock violation by Kuya Word. LBDL ball possession. Mercado for the inbound. Pass to Rejano. We have last 1 minute and 40 seconds on the second quarter. Regalo, full up for 3. No basket. Rebound by Rojas. Nagmamadali. Pass to Bigal for the easy 2 points. Bigal. Basket. Here's Rejano. Dribbling the ball. Rejano. Pass to La Pastora. No good. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Kuya Word. One minute and 15 seconds time remaining. Bigal. Pass to Rojas. Back to Bigal. And there's Bigal. To David. To Rojas. Rojas pull up for 3. No basket. Here's De Luna for 2. 2 points by De Luna. Rejano long pass. Tabilangon for the easy basket. 26-34 ang ating score. 8-point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Last 40 seconds. Here's Garcia for 2. No good. Ball fight between David and Rejano. At David matatawagan dito ng warning for technical. De Luna, pass to Bigal. Matatapikan dito ni Rejano. Pero makukuha pa rin ni Bigal ang bola. Basket count. Basket by Bigal. Rejano to Ano Nuevo for 2. No basket. De Luna secured the ball. Pass to Bigal. Last 10 seconds. Bigal may hawak ng bola. Pass to Garcia, full up for three, no basket. At medyo mainit ang ating magabilang kupunan dito. Here's the replay. And this is the final score of our second quarter of the game, 20.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
And that ends the first half of this game. Our official score is 36-26 in favor of Kuya Word X Pinsanity Basketball Team. Magandang depensa at galaw ang binibigay ng LBDL players sa pangunguna nila Tabilongan, Anyo Nuevo, La Pastora at Rejano, at silang players din na nasa loob ng court ang gumagawa ng play at strategy para hindi mapalayo ang kalamangan ng kabilang koponan. Kinakabahan ako, yan ang sambit ng isang player, ngunit paalala ni Coach Donald, easy lang, huwag kayo masyadong sumabay sa laro ng kalaban upang hindi masira ang play at strategy ang sistema na binubuo nila inside the court. Tulong sa rebound at pag-screen para mabigyan ng space ang teammate, lalo na ang may hawak ng bola at umaatake or balak umatake sa ring. Will they secure a spot sa ating final game? Yan ang abangan natin sa second half ng larong ito, kaya tutok lang po sa ating Facebook live stream. At para naman sa report sa kabilang koponan, pakinggan natin si Diana.
This is indeed a do-or-die game for both of the competing teams dahil ito magdidikta kung sino sa kanila ang lalaro for championship at kung sino naman ang lalaro for the battle for third. Mukhang nakatulong naman ang participation ng ilan sa mga players ng Pinsanity kanina sa exhibition game with Team Calya dahil nagsilbi itong tune-up game nila para sa laban nila ngayong semifinals. Ilan sa mga players na ito ay si Rivera Manarang de Luna, David at Rojas na kasama sa first five ng Team Pinsanity. Pinsanity showing us great offense to take the lead in the first half. Mula sa pagdadala ng bola at pagpapasa ng bola, kasama na rin dito ang pagharap nila sa depensang isinasagawa ng kanilang kalaban. Ngunit nakukulangan pa rin si Coach Jundel sa depensa ng team. Sabi niya masyado pa raw maluwag ang depensa ng Team Pinsanity, kaya naman they have to give extra effort and strength para maiwasan makalusot pa rin ang opensang ibinibigay ng kanilang kalaban. Win or not, the team will still have to as next play. Kaya naman abangan natin, anong play kaya ito? Will this be a battle for championship or will this be a battle for third? Abangan natin yan, kaya tutok lang dito sa ating Facebook page for more updates. And with that, back to the ball game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga.
And here we go. We are back on this second half of this game. This is the third quarter of the game. And this Rejano para sa kanyang technical free throw. Rejano, no basket. Technical free throw ni Rejano dahil sa pagbangga ni David sa kanyang likuran kanina. David out of the game. At ang ball possession dito sa kupunan ng LBDL. And there's Ano Nuevo for the inbound. Rejano receive the ball. Pass to Ano Nuevo. Back to Rejano. Full up for three. No basket. Rebound by De Luna. Pass to Rivera. Rivera dribbling the ball. Rivera full up for three. No basket. Rejano nagdadala pababa. Rejano. Pass to Lapitan for three. No good. There's Manarang. Manarang nagmamadali. Manarang. Traveling violation by De Luna. Ball possession to LBDL. Ang ating score ganun pa rin. 26-36. 10-point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Ano Nuevo. Pass to San Valentin. No good. But here's Lapitan para sa follow-up shot. 2 points by Lapitan. Rivera dribbling the ball. Pass to Rojas. Back to Rivera. To Manarang. Manarang. Last 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ipapasa sana dito kay Osana. Kaso medyo mataas. Out of bounds. Ball possession to LBDL. Rejano magre-receive. Pass to Lapitan. Back to Rejano. Maiistilan dito si Rejano. Manarang. Dribbling the ball. Manarang. For two. No good. But fouled by number. Number 11, Rejano. Manarang on the free throw line para sa kanyan. 2 shots. First throw by Manarang. Basket. And there's the second free throw. No basket. San Valentin secured the rebound. Long pass to Lapitan for two. No good. Rebound by La Pastora. Basket count. And fouled by number 26, Osana. And there's the replay. Here's La Pastora for this shot. At kitang-kita naman doon na tinamaan yung kamay dito ni La Pastora. La Pastora on the free throw line. Para sa kanyang 3-point play. No basket. Pero makakukuha ni Sanchez ang bola. Here's Ano Nuevo. Traveling violation. Rivera dribbling the ball. Pass to Manarang. Manarang to Rivera. Rivera to Rojas. Nice play. 2 points by Rojas. Rejano dribbling the ball. Rejano pass to Ano Nuevo. Ano Nuevo for two. Basket. 2 points by Ano Nuevo. 32-39, 7-point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Here's Osana for the long layup. 2 points. Rejano again, full up for long three. No basket. De Luna secured the ball. Pass to Manarang. Manarang dribbling the ball. Pass to Rivera. Rivera to Manarang. Manarang for two. No basket. Here's De Luna. 24 shot clock violation. Eliva. Pass to Regalo for two. No basket. Rivera makakakuha ng rebound. Here's Rivera nagmamadali. Pass to Osana. Still by Eliva. And Eliva fouled by number 10, Rivera. We have 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Rivera papalitan dito ni Bigal. Anunuevo receive the ball. Anunuevo for three. No basket. De Luna secured the rebound. Pass to Bigal. Bigal dribbling the ball. Pass to Manarang. Manarang mabibitawan ng bola pero makukuha niya pa din. Manarang fouled by number 23, Sanchez. Nine-point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Manarang on the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First throw by Manarang. Basket. Second free throw, no basket. Good ball. Ball possession. Dito pa rin sa Kuya Word. Here's De Luna for two. No basket. But fouled by number 24, La Pastora. De Luna on the free throw line. At mukhang nagkaka-foul trouble na naman dito ang kupunan ng LBDL. De Luna first throw, no basket. Second free throw by De Luna. No basket again. Rejano makakakuha ng bola. Rejano, pass to Eliva. Eliva for two. No good. Rebound by Bigal. Bigal, pass to Manarang. Manarang. Makukuha nandito ni Reano. And there's Regalo for two. No basket. But fouled by number 26, Osana. Regalo on the free throw line. Para sa kanyang 2 shots. First throw by Regalo. Basket. Second free throw. Basket again. Complete 2 by Regalo. Sanchez papalitan dito ni number 27, Navales. Osana for the inbound. Pass to Regalo. Pass to Bigal. Bibigay dito kay Manarang. Back to Bigal. To Rojas. Full up for 3. No basket. And there's Navales for 2. No good. Rebound by Bigal. Pass to Rojas. to number 25. Number 27, Navales, nagmamadali for the layup. No good. Navales again. Wala pa din. But here's Regalo for the follow-up shot. 2 points by Regalo. Down to 6-point lead. Bigal, pass to Rojas. Back to Bigal, dribbling the ball. Pass to Manarang, full up for 3. Manarang. No good. Navales makakakuha ng bola. Pass to number 11, Rejano. To Regalo, full up for 3. No basket. And there's Bigal. Pass to Manarang. Manarang. And Manarang fouled by number 3, San Valentin. At penalty na ata dito ang kupunan ng LBDL. Manalang 2 free throws. First free throw by Manarang. No basket. You have 4 minutes and 1 seconds dito sa ating third quarter. Second free throw. Oh, basket again. Ball possession to LBDL. And there's Rejano. To Regalo for 2. No good. De Luna secured the rebound. Pass to Bigal. To Manarang. To Rojas. To Bigal. Bigal for 2. No good. Rebound by Rejano. Rejano for 2. Basket. 2 points by Rejano. Baba sa 4 ang abante. Ang Kalamangan dito ng Kuya Word. Manarang to Rojas. Full up for 3. No good. Pero makukuha dito ni Bigal. Hindi mapapansin dito ni De Luna ang pasa. Out of bounds. Ball possession to LBDL. Here's Rejano. Bigal may hawak ng bola. Pass to Rojas. Rojas dribbling the ball. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Rojas to Rivera for 2, no basket. Olisa to Rojas for 2. 2 points by Rojas. And there's Rejano. Pass to Regalo, full up for 3, no good. Rebound by Bigal. And there's Rivera. Pass to Rojas. To Bigal. Bigal for 2. No basket. Rebound by San Valentin. Rejano may hawak ng bola. Rejano. Full up for long 3. No basket. Bigal again. For the rebound. Pass to number 10, Rivera. To Rojas. Back to Rivera. Rivera for 2. No basket. Mercado makakakuha ng bola. To Rejano. To Regalo. Easy basket. We have 1 minute and 10 seconds time remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Bigal dribbling the ball. Pass to Rojas. To Rivera, and there's Rivera, full up for two, basket. 2 points by Rivera. Mercado receive the ball, ibabalik kay Rejano. Rejano to Regalo for 3. 3 points by Regalo, down to 3 points. 3 points lead para sa Kuya Word. Bigal to Rojas, back to Bigal. To Rivera, to Bigal. And there's Rivera. To De Luna. To Rivera. Full up for 2. No basket. Shot clock. 24 shot clock violation to Kuya Word. And we have 13 seconds on the shot on the third quarter. At 3 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Kuya Word. At timeout para sa kupunan ng LBDL. At magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League. And we are back to our ball game. Last 13 seconds on the shot clock. Ball possession to LBDL. And last 13 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Rejano dribbling the ball. Rejano. Pass to Regalo for 3. No basket. De Luna. And we have 43-46 of our score in favor of Kuya Word. And this is the end of our third quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo.
Here's Rejano for 2, basket. Isang maganda na naman laban dito sa ating semifinals. 45-46 in favor of Kuya Word. 1 point lead lang ang lamang nito. Rivera full up for 3, no basket. Here's Mercado for the rebound. Rejano may hawak ng bola. Rejano, basket count. And fouled by number fouled by number 15, Ulisa. At lamang na dito ang kupunan ng LBDL. At may chance ng maka 3-point play dito si Rejano on the free throw line. At before we end this fourth and final quarter, nais ko lamang i-mention ang ating special partnership with Wilson Basketball Philippines, sponsored by Cafe Amarillo, Dutch Delight, Blue Steel, City Councilor Juan Carmelo Acevedo with the Acevedo Optical, JEJ Optical Services, and Tina's Takoyaki at kay Mr. Chairman Robin Orbaja. And this Velvet D-League is from Pablo League, is powered by Velvet Media Incorporated by Mr. JG Maghirang. At shout out sa lahat ng ating viewers today who will be the win at papasok sa ating finals. At San Valentin, black by number 15, Olisa. 2-point lead para sa kupunan ng LBDL. Ano Nuevo for the inbound. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to Mercado. Mercado for the reverse. No basket, but fouled by number 6, De Luna. Mercado, first free throw. No basket. Second free throw, no basket again. Ball possession to Kuya Word. Manarang, ibibigay kay Rivera ang bola. Rivera to Manarang. Back to Rivera. To Rojas for 3. No basket. Rebound by Ano Nuevo, Rejano. Fouled by number 8, Rojas. Pero 8 seconds violation ang itatawag. Ball possession to Kuya Word. Rivera. To Manarang. Back to Rivera. Rivera, full up for 2, pero 3 seconds violation ang itatawag dito kay number 15, Olisa. Nabales, pass to Rejano. Rejano dribbling the ball. Number 14, Mercado. Or number 3. Sino ang tatawagan dito ng foul? Number 27 and number 25, Manarang. Parehas matatawagan dito ng foul. We have double foul. Ball possession to LBDL. Rejano. Mapupunta kay Olisa ang bola. Here's Olisa. Atake for 2. Basket. 2 points by Olisa. Rejano may hawak ng bola. Dribbling the ball. Binabantayan ni Rojas. Rejano for 2. Basket. 2 points by Rejano. Manarang. Pass to Rivera. We have 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Here's Manarang. Tatawagan dito ng offensive foul. At time out para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. At magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga.
Maganda yung naka-dress. And we are back to our ball game. Ball possession to LBDL. Ang ating score, 50-48 in favor of LBDL. Regalo for the inbound. Pass to Rejano. Dribbling the ball. Rejano for 2. Black by number 8, Rojas. Fourth and seconds on the shot clock. Nice block by number 8, Rojas. Regalo for the inbound. Pass to Mercado. Black by Rojas again. Ibibigay dito. Hey, Garcia ang bola. Garcia dribbling the ball. Pass to Rivera. Back to Garcia. To Rivera. And there's Rojas. Full up for 3. 3 points by Rojas. Ang ating score, 50-51 in favor of Kuya Words. 1 point lead. Rejano crossover. And Rejano fouled by number 25, number 10, Rivera. Rejano on the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First throw by Rejano. First throw, no basket. And there's the second free throw. No basket again. Olisa makakakuha ng bola. Take time daw, sabi ni Garcia dito. Garcia dribbling the ball. To Rivera. Rivera. Ipapasa dito. Kaso makukuha ni Riano ang bola. Riano, no basket. Pero may pa-follow up shot dito nila Pastora. Garcia dribbling the ball. We have 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Pass to Rojas. Back to Garcia. To Rivera. To Rojas. Full up for 3. No basket. Rebound by La Pastora. Bibigay kay Riano ang bola. Riano. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Navales. No basket. Navales. To Regalo. Back to Riano. At makukuha dito ni Garcia ang bola. Garcia dribbling the ball. Pass to Rivera. To Garcia. Blocked by Mercado. And there's Rojas for 3 points. Time out para sa kupunan ng LBDL. At magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League. And we are back to our ball game. LBDL ball possession. Rejano received the ball. Rejano nagmamadali. Rejano for 2. Basket. 2 points by Rejano. Garcia received the ball. Pass to Bigal. Bibigay kay Rojas. To Bigal. To Olisa for 2. Basket. 2 points by Olisa. Dikitan lang ang ating score dito. 54-56. And there's Rejano. Dribbling the ball. Rejano. Pass to La Pastora. No basket. But fouled by number 6. De Luna. We have 4 minutes and 15 seconds dito sa ating 4th and final quarter. First free throw by La Pastora. No basket. Second free throw. Basket. At La Pastora papalitan dito ni number 14 Mercado. De Luna for the inbound. Pass to Bigal. Bigal to Rojas. Back to Bigal. To Garcia. To Bigal again. To Rojas. Full up for 3. No basket. Rebound by Olisa. Pero mabablock. Garcia, black again. And Garcia. And Eliva fouled by number 11, Garcia. Ang ating score dito, 55-56. 1 point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Eliva, first free throw. No basket. Second free throw by Eliba. Basket. Ang ating score, all 56. De Luna for the inbound. Pass to Bigal. To Manarang. And there's Manarang. Fouled by number 3, San Valentin. At mukhang may injury timeout muna tayo dito. All 56 ang ating score and we have 3 minutes and 40 seconds left on this fourth quarter. At ball possession dito pa rin sa Kuya Word. Olisa. To Manarang. Manarang, pass to Rojas. Rojas for 3. 3 points by Rojas. 56-59 ang ating score. And there's Rejano at mukhang babawi. Rejano dribbling the ball. Rejano crossover. Pass to Mercado pero hindi masasalo ang bola. Ball possession to Kuya Word Pinsanity. Here's Rojas for the inbound. Pass to Bigal. Bigal dribbling the ball. And there's Olisa. Maaagawan dito. San Valentin. Here's Eliva for 2. No basket. Rebound by Bigal. Bigal. Pass to Manarang for 2. Manarang. No basket. Rebound by Olisa. Nakakay Bigal ulit ang bola. Bigal to Manarang for 3. No good. Eliba to Rejano. Eight seconds violation by Rejano. And we have 2 minutes and 12 seconds time remaining on this fourth quarter. Rojas may hawak ng bola. Rojas full up for 3. No basket. Rejano nagmamadali. Rejano fouled by number 1, Bigal. At penalty na dito ang Kuya Word. Rejano on the free throw line. First free throw by Rejano. Basket. Second free throw No basket. Manarang makakakuha ng bola. Manarang dribbling the ball. Take time. Ibinigay kay Bigal. To Rojas. To Manarang. Here's Manarang. Traveling violation. 57-59 ang ating score in favor of Kuya Word. And we have 1 minute and 37 seconds. LBDL ball possession. Regalo for the inbound. Pass to Rejano. Rejano. For the layup. Easy basket by Rejano. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Bigal may hawak ng bola. Pass to Rivera. Ibigay kay Rojas. Back to Bigal. To Rojas for 3. No basket. But here's Rivera. No good. San Valentin secured the ball. Ibinigay dito kay Rejano ang bola. Here's Rejano. LBDL pa rin ang possession ng bola. San Valentin for 2. Basket. 2 points by San Valentin. 61-59. Last 41 seconds. Here's Rivera. To Rojas. For 3. 3 points by Rojas. Last 30 seconds. Rejano. Dribbling the ball. Rejano for 2. Basket count. And fouled by number 1, Bigal. Rejano on the free throw line. No basket. Rebound by Ulisa. Ibinigay dito kay Manarang. Last 20 seconds. Manarang to Ulisa. Traveling violation. Pero makakakuha pa ng foul. Dito si number 15. Pero wala pang penalty dito. Last 13 seconds. Manarang. Manarang for 2. No good. Last 5 seconds. At LBDL ang makakakuha ng pagkapanalo ngayong gabi, 63-62 in favor of LBDL. At dito nagtatapos ang ating 4th and final quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin, dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito ang Velvet The League, maghahatid sa'yo sa daan na matuwid. Kaya halina, ipasa na ang bola, at bago mo itira, dapat ay kumpiyansa. Ito'y makakatulong sa pisikal at mentalidad, lalo sa mga kabataang may abilidad. Layunin ng Velvet The League ay makapagbigay ng magandang halimbawa sa komunidad at mga bata.
Ito ang
It's the game between the LPDL and Kuya Word X Pinsanity. We have the score of 63-62 in favor of the LPDL. Congratulations LPDL for securing the spot for our final undefeated for this season. And we have here our best player of the game, jersey number 11, Cyrus Rehano. Ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Sobrang saya po kasi nakuha po namin yung panalo.
Okay, and ngayon na meron na kayong spot sa ating semifinals, ano yung paghahanda pang gagawin ninyo para syempre mag-remain kayo or andun pa din, undefeated pa din kayo hanggang finals or hanggang matapos yung finals?
Yung depensa lang po namin at maayos po yung communication sa bawat player.
Okay, nakikita naman namin na grabe daw yung yung stamina mo kasi andito ka ba din lagi nasa loob ng court and ikaw din dinadala mo din yung team and how yung pag yun nga yung connection and communication sa kanila. Paano yung sa sarili mo, hindi as a team, paano ka nagpa-practice, nagkakaroon ng preparation?
Practice ko lang po sarili ko at more jogging lang po everyday.
Okay, para din talaga ma-build yung stamina natin kasi yan din talaga ang kailangan ng isang basketball player. Yung katatag ang katawan, matibay ang katawan. With that, again, congratulations. Meron ka bang gustong batiin, gustong sabihin sa ating mga manonood?
Shoutout po sa buong sumusuporta sa LBDL at sa pamilya ko po. At sa buong LBDL team. At shoutout po kay Randall Blanco at sa family ko. Yun lamang po. Tapos sa girlfriend ko. Yun lamang po.
Anong message mo naman kay girlfriend?
Thank you sa lagi sa pagnonood at suporta sa akin. Yun lamang.
Again, with that, again, congratulations to our LPDL for securing a spot para sa ating final game, and congratulations din sa Yorde Hano for being the best player of the game today. And with that, tutok lang po tayo sa ating Facebook for more updates.
Dad at mga bata.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga.
And that ends the semifinals day ng ating liga at wala akong masabi kundi pinatunayan talaga ng lahat ng lumahok at lumaro ngayong araw. From the San Pablo City team na lumaro sa Team Calye at sa mga lumaro sa semifinals natin, isang puntos palagi ang nalalamang ng nananalo. Hindi nila tayo hinahayaang makampante kung sino ba ang kasali or makakakuha ng spot sa ating finals game. And with that, congratulations once again. Win or not, pinatunayan niyo sa bawat isa na you have what it takes to be a part of this league and to have the spot on the semifinals.
And with that, this San Pablo City basketball tournament 16 under division is made possible with a special partnership with Wilson Basketball Philippines, and it is sponsored by Coffee Amarillo, Blue Steel City Councilor Honorable Carmela Acevedo, with Acevedo Optical, GG Auticare Services, at sa nagbigay sa atin kanina ng merienda, we have the Tina's Takoyaki, and this Velvet D-League San Pablo Leg is powered by Velvet Media, incorporated by Mr. JJ Maghirang. And kailangan nating tumutok sa mga magiging update para sa ating final game because we will be having our final game next week. And maglalaban po ang for the third spot, ang Batang R2B versus the Kuya Word X Pinsanity. And sino nga ba ang magcha-champion para sa ating season na ito, 16 under division? We have the Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers versus the LBDL. Isang mainit na naman na labanan ng matutunghayan natin. Ano pa kaya pagpa-practice ang gagawin ng mga ito? And if I'm not mistaken, ito ay magiging battle of the undefeated teams na naman.
Oo, kagaya lang din last season, 'di ba? Talaga namang pinapatunayan ng lahat na naglalaro dito sa ating liga na they came here prepared, na talaga namang salang-sala. Sabi ko nga, Shara, hindi umuuwi ang bawat team dito na wala silang nakukuha. Panalo man o na-enhancing skill nila dahil yung nakakalaban nila, may natututunan din sila in terms of defenses and offenses. And of course, most importantly, kitang-kita natin yung sportsmanship na pilit binibigay ng mga bata kahit medyo tensyonado na. Pinipili pa rin nila na ipakita na we are disciplined enough para lumaro dito sa ating liga. Dahil dyan, excited na ako para sa next week, Shara.
Yes, and yun nga yung gusto natin, mabago ang buhay ng mga kabataang malalaro ito kasi this, together in Velvet D-League, San Pablo Leg, we want to change the life of the youth through basketball. Hindi yung puro ang daming mga kung ano ginagawa outside this court, pero yun nga, mabibuild na yung katawan nila, mabibuild yung development dun sa skills na meron sila, and also madaming potential na opportunities ang papasok sa kanila kapag sila ay naglalaro ng basketball. And nandiyan na din yung madidisiplina sila. Syempre, di ba, ang isang magaling na basketball player is inaalagaan niya yung kanyang pangangatawan.
Yes, at dahil nga dyan, alam ko na lahat ng nanonood sa atin ay excited na rin sa next game, kaya tumutok lang tayo sa ating Facebook page. Abangan natin kailan at saan ba magiging laro ng championship at ng battle for third. And with that, tapusin na natin ang araw na ito, ang mainit na araw na ito. Ako si Diana May Eraskin.
And I am Shara Gutierrez, your courtside reporters for today.
Kaya halina, ipasa na ang bola at bago mo itira, dapat ay kumpiyansa. Ito'y makakatulong sa pisikal at mentalidad, lalo sa mga kabataang may abilidad. Layunin ng Velvet D-League ay makapagbigay ng magandang halimbawa sa komunidad at mga bata.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Velvet D-League. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Velvet D-League.